Hey! Hold on, baby! That pay black. Oh, I'm so mad, man. I thought I was recording the whole time. I just started recording. Oh, I'm so mad. You alright? Oh, we live out here, man. Ooh. As much as I don't like Katie, boy. That's Mazi little brother. I think so. Say for Lonzo. Hey, for real though. Boy, I ain't trying to be up all night editing this. It's all good though. Grind don't stop. Say full lines though. More power. It's lit out here. More cars still pulling up. Hey, I wonder if Nate got keys gonna pull up. They pull lines up. Well, they take. Hey, they ain't got no parking spots. It's hard to find a parking spot. Ain't nobody got a parking spot. It's crazy how like that. I'm straight. I said it's crazy how like now that I'm out here with it, like I'm straight. You know what I'm saying? Like. I'm not, I ain't been this shy. You know what I'm saying? This is a night come true. I ain't gonna lie. I'm mad that we lost out earlier at our softball tournament, nigga, but I'm happy as hell. You said it's sticky? Yeah, you didn't know that? Whenever rubber is burning, it's melting. So, I mean, of course it's gonna get sticky. And that's a ticket. Because I know these cops out here somewhere. Let me see if I can get over here and give y'all a better intro than what I did, because I did not get a chance. You know what I'm saying? Whenever Mazi and them pulled up, I didn't get a chance to show y'all that. That is nice. These boys that came all the way from D-Town Boogie to the H-Town Woogie with it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. You heard me? I said these boys that came all the way from the D-Town Boogie to the H-Town Woogie. Yes, sir. Sick, boy, that boy got the Hellcat. These folks out here wild with it, man. Hey. Yes, sir. Oh, hit me like all the way up there. Go holla. Hold up. I ain't catch him on time. That's all right, though. I'm going to get him whenever you get out the car. Yes, sir.
Yeah, what's up? I got a fucking call, man.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. His rap don't look nothing. His rap don't look nothing close to chords. Whoa! What y'all jumping for? What y'all jumping for? Keep them eyes peeled.
Hey, let's get the fuck out of me.
I saw when that bitch went up and I said, there it goes.
I felt my little ball on my weed movement.
Oh, redo that. Uh-oh. lot, fellas. Y'all got to stay tuned, but it's going to be a long one. I ain't going to catch it. It's going to be a long one. I probably should have just streamed this, huh? I probably should have just streamed it. That way, I got to go edit it and just sit down and watch the car movie. You know what I'm saying? Oh, that's that one shit. Man. Well, it's looking good, that shit. I got them Brimos. He good. I got them Brimos. He good. I want to hop up there, but I don't want to see it looking good. No, don't do that, buddy. And it starts sounding like that. We're like, man, just stop. Just stop. Just stop. Just stop. Just stop. Just stop. Even when this way, you know what I'm saying? And I can do my front wheels right now, you know what I'm saying? Mine don't even sound, you know what I'm saying, man? Mine don't even sound like that. I smell some Doja. Yeah, I smell some Doja. Now that disrespectful. That disrespectful. How he gonna do that to Seifu Lonzo? This man just blow smoke on Seifu Lonzo like that. I damn sure wouldn't run.
What's
What up, big dog?
How you doing?
All right, you. Hey, man, this shit crazy. That boy hit me like. Well, I like that stuff. So that rap, that's stupid. bag up.
So what?
So I'm about to run this bag up. Damn, man. Real with all this music, man.
Turbo!
I forgot he was supposed to get that scat pack, but he ain't get it that day. I ain't finished watching the video either. I sure got a nah, cause he was gonna get a bagged out black scat, but he ain't get it.
I say, Mama, I'm so sorry. I got iceberg with my heart in. On the road, why ain't it hard? I'm choosing, I'm so heartless, so heartless. I ain't know my age. He was 16, they killed it Dave. Mine in a rage. I'm way too young to feel his pain. I ain't know how to fade, but I dove in cause I'm a man. I love that girl to death. As we get old, our feelings change. I pay for therapy because my thoughts are ahead of me. They keep on dragging me. I pay for keeps they scared of me. I can barely sleep or even breathe. I cannot hold on without you on side of me. I never knew this fame would take the ones I love away from me. I wanna see cases bad, but I can't seem to call me. Go in with no pen and paper. I got this shit right on my sleeve. Right now my candle burning wax. I'm feeling like it's burning me. I'm just a lonely child who wants someone to help. Take this pain away because my head been running wild. I feel low, without even knowing this bitch the snake.
Literally a bench driver out here. My boy BJ. Fuck the burnout for the circle of the bitch. Go ahead, B. That's what y'all did too. That fucking right here, they talk. Don't embarrass me, bro. Me and my 4 followers, man. Don't do it.
Ah, you fool. Please be careful, bro.
Hold up, nigga. Hold up. Shit. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
You goddamn rookie!
He need more space. He need more space. He need more space, brother. That shit that too small.
Hey, I hope you don't, bro.
That shit too damn small. He need more space.
Hey, let the civilian go by.
Ooh.
Cut!
Cut. Oh man, goddamn. Oh man, goddamn.
That hoe got leukemia or something. Only got this nigga.
Oh, wrong way. All right.
That was man, that was cute. Exactly.
He said that was cute. Oh yeah?
This is the one. Set them set. Didn't I set them set?
So if you can see it, but follow him. Give me like 44. What up, Turbo? Why didn't you get that scat, bro? I ain't finished watching the video, so I ain't get a chance.
Oh, the Daytona?
Yeah.
Let's go.
What's up?
We got 6 man work. God damn. God damn.
44 gang, yes sir. What's up? Yes sir.
It's about to get dark in this bitch.
Right, bro? This should look like a fucking scary movie.
That's what you calling me. Oh, there we go. There we go. Start up.
Uh-oh.
It's quiet.
I wouldn't stand in the front.
Big purple.
Uh-oh.
Hold on.
Give me wife. Give me wife.
Damn. My bad. Who that, Rob?
Who gonna top that?
Up the smoke.
Who gonna top that?
I got an Optima. I can try. If y'all don't see this video, because I died from this smoke. If y'all don't see her no more, it's because she died from all this smoke.
She's like, don't do it. Don't do it.
Right?
Don't fucking do it.
And he about to do it.
Oh, he about to do it.
He about to do it. I see his hand getting ready. Lost wife. You wanna go to the car? Huh? But god damn. Can't even see shit. Yep. This shit do look live though. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This shit do look live. Of course, shit crazy as hell. Hey, my Instagram is CGT Spitter, C.T._Spitter. You know what I'm saying? Go check out my YouTube channel, Living Life with Dion. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, man, y'all gonna give him a subscribe and a follow, man.
Appreciate
Salute
that.
to you, brother. Appreciate the support, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, indeed.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it. Safe Alonzo.
Yeah, and kicked
Hulk
up
Edition.
my goddamn car, man.
Hey, they did somebody else like that.
I've been watching my shit, man.
Ooh, disrespectful.
So fucking disrespectful. God damn. That's okay. All this shit about to come out.
Oh, yeah? Oh. Uh-oh. You don't see this for too much longer.
Man, I really like to do my car, my ass about it.
I'm saying, go check them out. Safe Alonzo. Same on the back. Safe Alonzo. Y'all see it? Still gonna check that boy out. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm about to go get out of these bangers real quick. We live with it. I ain't gonna say we. I'm gonna say them. Cause I ain't got my scat pack yet. You know what I'm saying? But that bit up and coming. Oh. Yes, sir. Hey, it's wet down here, mama. Watch out. Watch your step. It's like a line or something. Uh-oh. No. Hey. That's real cute. Huh? What'd he say? I can't hear. Huh?
I'm meet you up, bro. Let me know how they come.
What's up, kid? What?
Do anyway.
That's how we do it in the country. That's how we do it in the country. Everybody go to Whataburger. That's it. Real talk.
Shut down the freeway. Shit, hey, they do that.
Hey. Hey, folks, we got to go.
There you go.
Appreciate you fucking with me, big dog.
Yeah, yes, sir, man. Stay up, man.
Yes,
Keep
sir.
grinding. Don't stop.
Why'd you drive down here, man?
Shit, man, I'm in my daily right now.
I feel you.
Other car, Dallas. Hey.
Oh, okay.
You just got out the shop 2 days ago.
Come out, bro.
You better go back to Dallas.
Spin that woos real quick, baby. Spin that woos. Spin that woos. Spin that woos. No cap. Successful night. Proud. You know what I'm saying? Got to meet a whole lot of my, you know what I'm saying? A lot of my favorite YouTubers. You know what I'm saying? Got to meet Corey, you know what I'm saying? My #1 YouTuber. You know what I'm saying? Got to meet him in life, 44. You know what I'm saying? Got to meet Living with Mazi, you know what I'm saying? Turbo TV. You know what I'm saying? Safe Alonzo, Scat Pay Black. All them boys. Hey, I don't Like, just start this whole up. My bad about that, but yeah, man, so that'll be it for this video, you know what I'm saying, man. Y'all stay tuned. Sorry that I ain't been posting lately, you know what I'm saying, man, but we coming back with all this money, you know what I'm saying. Catch you but later, you did.